What if a tiny fruit could replace sugar with 0 calories and zero guilt? Today, we are diving into monk fruit farming, a natural sweetener that's 200 times sweeter than sugar, and it could change how the world eats. Let's explore this sweet revolution. Farming process, quick rundown. Planting and growing. Monk fruit vines love warm, humid weather. Farmers plant them in rich soil and use trellises to support their wild growth. Maintenance. Regular pruning, pest control, and care are needed, but they're hardy and easy to manage. Harvesting. After 6 to 8 months, the fruits are handpicked with care, delicate but also valuable. Processing. They're sun dried or dehydrated. The mogrosides are extracted and turned into sweetener, ready to replace sugar globally. Why monk fruit is trending? 0 calories, no sugar spikes, which is safe for diabetics, no bitter aftertaste, just pure, clean sweetness. Would you use monk fruit in your chai, sweets, or baking? Comment below. Reality check. Can it replace sugar really? Still a bit costly and limited in availability. Doesn't caramelize like sugar in some recipes, but with rising demand in better farming, it's quickly becoming more accessible. Conclusion. Monk fruit is not just a crop, it's a healthy alternative with big potential. It may not replace sugar everywhere, but it's definitely leading the way to healthier future. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more sustainable farming stories and health focused innovations. See you soon.